Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate your own ChatGPT Wrapped of 2025. It's similar to Spotify, but for ChatGPT. So here's a prompt that I'm going to use. I will put it in the description or in the comment section. Just going to press enter. Oh, sorry about my voice. I just ate spicy food, like really spicy food. Okay, New Year Wrap 2025. Top 5 topics you could not let go of: content creation and captions, tutorials, brand and service marketing, rewording the same title 14 different ways, wrap style summaries of things that do not need wrapping, biggest obsession in making information aesthetic, okay, most unexpected question, okay, most discussed projects, signature style, make another one, yes and yes, quirky, patterns we noticed. Okay, month by month recap, January mood, fresh start energy, tutorials, aesthetic presentation, efficiency, games and app features, growth, service brand content, rewrite fatigue, structure, variations, reflective but still productive, meta content. Overall vibe, creative, fast moving, slightly chaotic, highly intentional. You don't waste time on theory, you want outputs, preferably now. I complain, but you're consistent, decisive, and really good at knowing what you want without saying it. That's rare, annoying, impressive. Thanks for chatting with me this year. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.